Welcome to online learning. Today we'll learn about the land of snow. And today's topic is Greenland. Its location, land and climate. The regions around the poles are called polar region. And around the North Pole, here we have North Pole, is the Arctic Ocean. You can see Arctic Ocean. So this is the region of Arctic Ocean, and that is North Pole. This ocean is surrounded by Asia. This is Asia, Europe and North America. Here we have the South Pole, and the South Pole is located inside the continent of Antarctica. Today we shall learn about Greenland. Greenland is the world's largest island and is situated near the North Pole. This is Arctic Circle and this is the continent of North America, and to the northeast of North America, Greenland is located. This country remains under snow and ice throughout the year. This is Greenland, and as it is near to the North Pole, that's why here very cold and chilly wind is experienced, and due to that here we have snow and ice are found throughout the year. This is a city in Greenland. You can see snow cover there. The original inhabitants of Greenland are called the Inuits. They call their country Kalalit Nunat, which means land of the people. So according to them, Greenland is called land of the people, or in their language it is called as Kalalit Nunat. So where is Greenland located? Greenland is located towards the northeast of North America. This is North America, this is east, and this is north, and this is northeast. More than 2/3 of the island is located north of the Arctic Circle. This is Arctic Circle, and to its north, that means this side, we have Greenland is located. The Baffin Bay and the Strait separate Greenland from the northern islands of Canada. Greenland is a part of Denmark. Here we have Baffin Bay and here we have Strait. This is Greenland, and Greenland is a part of Denmark. Denmark, which is located in northern Europe. Greenland covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. The island looks white as about 80% of the land is permanently under snow and ice. This is Greenland here, and it covers an area of 21.5 lakh square kilometers, and it looks white. Why? Because throughout the year, maximum part of this country remain covered with snow and ice. You can see, taking from here to here, it looks white. That means these are the parts of the country which are covered with snow. The average thickness of the ice sheet is about 1500 meters. These are ice sheets. The lower layer of this ice sheet may have existed since the last ice age. So what was this ice age? Ice age was a duration of time when the whole earth was covered with snow, and it happened 40 million years ago. Huge pieces of ice often break away from the ice sheets and slide down into the sea. These are called icebergs. So you can see this is an iceberg. And it looks like a mountain made up of ice and snow. These blocks of ice look like huge frozen mountains floating in the sea. These are often not visible due to thick fog. You can see this is thick fog, and due to that, what happened? Icebergs are very dangerous for ships that sail through this region. More than 100 years ago, a ship named Titanic drowned due to an accident that occurred due to these icebergs. Climate. So what type of climate shall we experience in Greenland? Greenland has an Arctic type of climate. So what is this Arctic type of climate? The winters are long and very cold. The sun doesn't rise for several weeks. This is Greenland, and here the sun doesn't rise for several weeks. That means you can say for several weeks you will experience night. You see, this is the night time there. Summer is short and cool. The weather is bright and sunny, especially in the coastal areas. Although during this summer you will experience some amount of sunlight, but still it is very cold there. Yes, even though there is continuous sunlight for several weeks, it is still very cold. And in the coastal area, you will feel a little bit warmer due to land breeze and sea breeze. These are the cities along the coastal areas. During the winter, the temperature drops below the freezing point and it snows heavily. Extremely cold and chilly winds blow here. And you will experience fog also. Now today's homework. By which continents is the Arctic Ocean surrounded? Which is the largest island in the world? Who are the original inhabitants of Greenland? Which bay and strait separate Greenland from the northern islands of Canada? And what are the huge pieces of ice floating in the sea called? I hope you enjoy the class. In our next class, we'll be learning about vegetation, wildlife, life of the people, occupation, and cities of Greenland. Thank you.